guys, how are you? Hopefully all of you are doing great. So today I will continue with my Facebook ads on a Facebook ads playlist. Okay, so in this video I will tell you guys how to set up your business manager account, and yeah, that's it. So if you guys are interested, keep watching the video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell notification. So now I will be taking you to my laptop screen. So let's get started. To business manager, okay, just go to Facebook, type Facebook business manager on Google, okay, and you'll get this page. Go on to the first link. Then you'll get this page over here. So over here on the right side top, you can see create account. You can go there and create your account. Yeah, so you can give your name, your name of your business or whatever your account's name. You can write there. You can give your name, okay. So and yeah, so and what is your name and your email ID. You can do all of this. Addresses, mention your business your phone number, website, and all of the details. Okay, after doing that, just submit it. And then you have to, after doing all of that, you have to confirm your email. And just after doing that, okay, so one thing you guys need to take care of, that you are logged in on your Facebook, so that you'll be directed automatically. Otherwise, business manager will ask you to log into your Facebook account. So yeah, just after doing that, you'll get this page. Okay, so over here I used my brother's account just to create one, because I already had a business manager account for myself. So yeah, so you'll get this page, and then yeah, so basically what you have to do is, when you go to business settings, so yeah, over here you have all the pages, your different ad accounts. You can add different people over here. Give them, you can give an access. You can give them an admin access or employee access. I've already talked about that in my previous videos. And yeah, and then you can manage your pages, your different ad accounts, your Instagram account. You can add a payment method, which is very important, and you should do it. Then only after doing that you can actually run your ads. And yeah, all of these things are over here. And we just show you for the payment method. If you go to payment, so yeah, you can just add a payment method over here. So yeah, you can use a credit card or a debit card is also fine. Okay, this RuPay card don't work. It should be Visa or Mastercard, and then you can write in the name of the card and all, fill up all the details and confirm your card and continue. And that is very must if you want to run ads on Facebook. Okay, so yeah, that was a small tutorial how to create a business manager account. And yeah, that's very simple. So hopefully you guys understood. And if you have any doubt or anything you want to share, you can do that in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.